Hello everyone, welcome to QA Stack. Today we are going to see parallel execution in Playwright. For instance, I have created a simple test framework containing two modules, transport and food, each having two submodules and two test cases each. Here is the representation of the test framework. Under transport, I have bike booking, car booking, each having two test cases. Similarly for food. So total we have 8 test cases under 2 submodules, and we are having 4 test spec files. Now quickly jump on to the code part. Now here, this is the food folder having 2 test cases. Each test case has 2 tests defined. We are using a test or describe block to group these test cases. Now, in order to achieve parallel execution, we need to specify workers in playwright.config.ts. So now I have specified worker count as 2, which means when I will hit the test execution using the command npx playwright test, it will run 2 workers in parallel. Let's see how this happens. So here the execution is completed. Now you can see it has created 2 workers, worker 0 and worker 1, and has executed all these test cases parallelly in these 2 workers. Now, by default, when we provide the workers count, the test spec files run in parallel, but the test within those spec files run in sequence. Consider the example of chain booking test spec file. Under this file, we have written 2 test cases, test case 1 and test case 2. Now, if we see for chain booking, test case 1 got executed on worker 0, and then test case 2 got executed on worker 0. Whereas food booking executed on worker 1 and test case 2 food booking executed on worker 1. So basically, test spec files are run parallel across multiple workers. But what if we want to run all the tests in parallel? So in order to achieve that, we need to specify a field called fully parallel as true in playwright.config.ts. Okay. So now all the tests will run parallel. Let me execute the test cases. So now we see on worker 1, food module test case 2 chain booking got executed. On worker 0, test case 1 chain booking. Both test cases, test case 1 and 2, are executed on separate workers. Are evenly distributed across workers. Alternatively, we can also provide mode as parallel within the test spec files in order to achieve the same results. So this was all about parallel execution in Playwright. Thanks for watching the video.